Inside your ManaCold Platinum 2.0 package, you'll find
tubing, a joint-specific pad, a power source, control unit, and a reservoir. Begin by filling the reservoir with ice and water, using the markings inside as your guide. Next, determine your treatment area and make sure you're near a plug outlet for easy access. Plug the cable into the back of the reservoir top, then into the outlet.
Start your treatment in a seated position on a couch or bed. For the hip and knee, you'll have your leg extended.
This will help you easily apply your ManaCold Platinum 2.0 device and begin your cold therapy session with comfort and confidence. Attach the hose to the device. You will hear a click when the two fasteners engage. Then connect the other end to the joint-specific pad, which also has the same type of connection. Each side of the tubing can only connect to either the pad or the reservoir. For the hip pad, use a barrier between your skin and the pad. Then open up both of the straps and make sure that the tube is pointing downwards. Then take the top strap and feed it behind your back and around your waist, then attach it to the front of the pad. For the ankle pad, open it up. Then connect the foot plate, which is the rigid, rectangular portion. Use a barrier between your skin and the pad. Then put your heel to the back of the pad as you insert your foot. Then attach the hook and loop closure over the foot, then over the ankle to secure it. For the shoulder pad, use a barrier between your skin and the pad. Then open up both of the straps and drape it over the top of your shoulder. Then run the elastic strap underneath your opposite armpit and attach it to the front of the shoulder pad. Then run the bicep strap under the arm and attach it to the front of the shoulder pad on the arm. For the knee pad, use a barrier between your skin and the pad. Then open up the pad and place the pad on top of the knee where your kneecap is in the hole and the tube is pointing downwards. Take the longer strap and run it around the back side of the thigh and attach it to the front. Then take the shorter strap and run it around the back side of the calf and attach it to the front. The pads should be snug but not tight. Press the on/off button on the hand controller to power on the device. Select your treatment time and flow rate using the hand control. The higher the flow rate, the colder the therapy will be. Treatment times are 30,
60, 90 minutes, or the continuous setting, which will display as on.
Now sit back and relax while ManaCold Platinum 2.0 delivers soothing cold therapy to your joint. You're on your way to recovery.